Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious egg sauce packed with flavor and perfect for any meal of the day. It's super easy, trust me, you're going to love it. So let's dive right in. Alright, so let's prep our ingredients so cooking will be easy and smooth. So for this recipe, I'm only using fresh tomatoes, but feel free to add tomato paste if you prefer to get a richer taste. Okay, I'm using about 10 to 12 fresh tomatoes. I'm going to chop them, then set it aside. All right, moving on to the next step, I'm using 5 eggs. I will go ahead to crack them into a bowl, add in a little salt, give it a quick whisk, and then set it aside. Now, over a medium heat, I'm going to add some oil to my pan and let it heat up. To enhance the flavor of the oil, I like to add some dry spices. This helps wake up the flavors beautifully. So once the oil is infused with the spices, we'll go in with my chopped onions and allow it to fry until it is nice and translucent. Next, I'm going to add in some green chili sauce, which I have a video on that. This gives us additional flavor and heat. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with a garlic and ginger paste. Okay, we'll fry it for a few minutes to release the aromas. Now I'm going to go in with our chopped tomatoes and give everything a good mix. We'll cook the tomatoes until they become soft and tender. So after about 10 to 20 minutes later, our tomatoes are soft and tender. Now is the time to season our stew. Add in some chili powder, paprika, and 1 seasoning cube. I'm going to go ahead to give it a quick mix. And for that extra flavor and texture, I'm going to go in with 1 chopped carrot and stir everything together. So guys, this is totally optional. I like to add in about a tablespoon of shrimp powder to give us that extra flavor. Okay, I'm going to mix everything together, then cover the pan halfway, let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the sauce is well cooked, we'll add in some smoked mackerel. We'll stir everything together so the flavors combine beautifully. Next, I'm going to pour in my eggs and let it cook for a few minutes without stirring immediately. Once the egg starts to set, we'll gently stir to scramble everything together and let it cook until the eggs are fully done. Before turning off the heat, I like to add some chopped onions and green bell peppers for a fresh crunch and extra flavor. We'll simmer it for about a minute or two, and that's it, guys. Our delicious egg sauce is ready. This stew is so versatile. You can enjoy it with your boiled yam, boiled rice, even spaghetti or kinky, whichever one you want. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meal. And let me know in the comments below what's your favorite way to enjoy your egg sauce. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.